Well, you can see some, I don't know if you can see it on the video, but there's some snow-capped peaks out there. And again, another windy day. And it's like 8 o'clock in the morning, and already the winds are picking up. Tried to fly my drone, and I'm up like 3 minutes, and I'm getting like high wind warnings already, and the wind's already picking up here. Arr! All right. Well, another historical marker. Wind is picking up and it's starting to get gusty here, but there's this one for Silver Peak, and I departed Tonopah this morning. Today is May 3rd, 2019, and all kind of trash and stuff that people left here, an old microwave and some other stuff, I don't know what here, but okay, not much here. Well, this is the abandoned gas station, and there's not much left of it. Some pictures I saw online, it kind of looked like it might have been a gas station, but now it just looks like a bunch of junky old fallen apart buildings with graffiti on it here. And you see some peaks out there in the mountains with some snow on it here. And we'll take a little gander around here, see what's shaking, what kind of junk and debris they got here. Windy, can't put the drone up here, it's going to be kind of windy here, I think. Although I might try it. There's a truck over there, so I don't know what's going on. I might try to put the drone up, it's not as windy right here. So, oh, there's the wind again. So I spoke too soon. A couple of the buildings were blocking the wind here. So, yeah, it's blowing pretty good. Blowing pretty good. See what's inside here. Maybe there's somebody living in here. I don't know. Well, it's pretty beat up. Got some mattresses in there, and I don't see any dead bodies or anything. I don't know if I want to walk around in here or not, but all right. Might have been a bathroom over there. Yeah, wind is still blowing here. Okay, more shacks over here. And a couple more up there. And there's my trusty chariot down there. And oh, just almost lost my hat. There's the wind, it's blowing here, that's for sure. Okay. Well, I think this part is the part that was the gas station. You can see the sign, some lights over where you would have gas pumps and different things here, and a little building, and maybe some people lived back in those other ones. But not a lot here. And it's cold and it's windy. All right, let's get back in the car. Shadow Man, Shadow Man. All right. Well, more wind, another historical marker for Columbus. And see the snow and the mountains in the distance there. And this is Columbus here. On the edge of the Columbus Salt Marsh, 5 miles to the southwest. Blah, blah, blah. Alright. There's the peaks out there. And it's too windy to put the drone up. It's really blowing here. And it's making a lot of noise. There's my trusty chariot. I gotta get back on the road here. Drone is not doing good with all these winds here. Every day it's windy, windy, windy. If I put the drone on the ground, the wind might blow it away before it even takes off. Okay. Well, another stop along the road here, and ruins. I don't know what the ruins are from, but somebody left an old pair of shoes here. Huh, they don't look in bad shape, so somebody needs a pair of shoes. There you go. And can't get the drone up. Windy, windy, windy. That's for sure. Oh boy. And it's cold too with the the wind blowing. I don't know what this is, but it's some old wood here. Boy, this wood is old, old, old. Look at that. Something there. And I don't know what this was here. I see a lot of kind of this white stuff on the ground here, like gypsum or something. And something in there with a big hole in it. And a lot of graffiti. That's good. You know, you get a little artsy stuff here. Must have been somewhat of a structure here. Because there's I don't know, a lot of stuff here. There's this piles of that white like gypsum, even a pile here. So I'm gonna try to climb up. It's windy, windy. I got 2 layers on, it's still a little chilly. This is soft stuff, whatever this is, but like I said, it looks like gypsum here. But there's the ruins. And I'll have to look this up on the internet to see if I can find what the ruins are. Alright, we got some other stuff out here. Different things, okay.